faces, brand new 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 faces. I feel like brand new lady. Wake up in the morning like Ace Katuban. Gotta give my daughter and my baby mama time. Gotta be in order for the interview on 9. And my interview don't even need a suit or tie. And I'm lately becoming a stranger to people I know. Lately becoming a danger, feel like Miano. Numbing the pain and blaming all these pianos for spending less time with the fam. Oh, brigado, hey, let's build a fam and turn away from being an enemy. Never the same since these niggas started selling me. All I see is brand new faces, 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 brand new faces. I feel like brand new lady. All the pain, how can you expect me to be the same? I told myself no more. See my family going to bed behind a nigga no more. I didn't have to remain in the studio. Pretend like I ain't feeling low before you know my video was nothing but a dude, you know. And now I'm all up in your face every day screaming made nigga, so you know. Shit never been the same, never same since I made nigga, so you know. And now I'm all up in your face